My name is Joshua Onyemachi, and I'm a social media manager for 4 years now in the Web3 space. This year, I was actually looking for a boost in my social media career, and I bumped onto the content marketing 2023, the content that sells by Antonio Veranik and the Udemy online training school. Earlier before now, I was creating content with little engagement. I did realize that in trying to create content, you can also check what your competitors are doing and how they are gaining traffic in their content. I learned that through this course. I also learned there are two specific types of content I can create, either the SEO content or the hype content. Well, this course has taught me these two things, and I encourage every social media marketer, managers, digital marketers, and content makers to take this course to improve your content making strategies. It will also boost engagement in your content. Thank you very much to the instructor. Thank you, and I love the course.